Hey guys, Courtney with the Off Leash Canine West Coast. With me today, I have almost 2-year-old German Shepherd Prince. He is here for a couple reasons. Overall, it's just unruliness. Owners describe him as crazy and huge. Their family member just got their dog recently trained by us, so he is here hoping that we can transform him, which we totally can. He has a problem with jumping. He's obviously very easily distracted, really amped up, kind of anxious. His mind really just kind of wanders. So they said he knows like basic stuff in the house for a cookie, but basically when you take him outside, this is kind of what you get. Pulling, not really paying attention, really not engaged at all. So we're just gonna kind of see what he knows now and then check out his after video in about 2 weeks and let us know how you think we did. All right, Prince, come. Prince, come. Hi, Prince. Hello. Prince. Prince. Good. Prince, sit. Wow, nice job, buddy. Nice job. No, sit. You're supposed to stay there. Sit. Good. Prince, down. Prince, down. Wow, nice job, dude. Down. Oh, you're supposed to stay there too. Hey, come. All right, let's show him your heel. All right, Prince, sit. Good. Prince, heel. Heel. Good. Prince, heel. 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 Good. Prince, heel. Hello, heel. Come on. Good. All right, so as you can tell, he's just kind of a handful. He's really, really strong. The mom actually admitted that she doesn't take him on walks because she can't. When he got here, I could barely kind of keep hold of him, as you can tell. He's just on a basic flat collar right now. Nice. All right, so check out his after video and let us know what you guys think. Let's go. Very nice, bud. Pretty puppy. Puppy wanna come out and play? Does the puppy wanna play? Good boy. Awesome job, buddy. Inside, good boy. Prince, break! Yeah! Good. Prince, sit. Good. Down. Very nice. Good. Good. Down, good boy. Break! Good boy. Yes, good boy.